Good afternoon. So I've a plumbing job to do here now. I have to change the siphon in the toilet. It's an old house, so it's going to be tricky because it's an old toilet anyway. And from past experience doing other toilets, the cistern and the pan never really want to separate. The bolts underneath them get rusted, so that can cause problems. And I think I done work there as well before, and I don't know if there's an isolation valve in it either for turning off the water. So, and I can't get into the loft to plug the tank because it's too small. The loft space is too small, and so that could mean now having to drain the whole tank down to isolate the water. So anyway, joys of plumbing. We'll see how we get on anyway. This is the problem toilet. Also rusted in there, so I have to take them off, cut them out. So in that job as well, I had to replace the filling valve in it as well because the other one that was on it wasn't great. So it didn't turn out too bad in the finish. The job is working and it worked away fine. Ran into a few problems, all right. The screws were were rusted onto the wall, so I couldn't get them out. So I had to use a kind of a machine to cut the bolts out. And what else was other problems? No, it wasn't too bad. It was an old toilet, but it's working anyway. So that's it. That's the joys of plumbing. Thank you for joining me.